Hi dear viewers and welcome to Display Repair. In this video we are making a review of one more very practical and handy diagnostic tool, and that is the XTool A30 M wireless diagnostic module. These wireless types of diagnostic tools are very popular mainly because of their practicality, and XTool has a product of its own for this range. In this video we'll show you the unboxing, how to download the app and activate the tool on your phone or tablet, and finally how to use it and show you the options it has. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Before we start, we would just like to remind you that XTool has a wide variety of car diagnostic tools, as well as TPMS tools, programming tools, diagnostic scanners for trucks, and more. If you haven't checked out their product line, visit their website. I think it's well worth the time. The product line is very impressive. The link for the website is in the description. Also, in a previous video, we reviewed the XTool D5S diagnostic tool. It is also a very good OBD tool. It has lots of options and it's of very good quality. It's excellent not only for DIYers and car enthusiasts, but also for professional mechanics and car technicians. The link for that video is in the card in the corner and in the video description. The XTool A30 M comes in a nicely made black box with an illustration on the front side. The box we got is a bit beaten up from the travel, hope you don't mind. On the rear side you have the general information about the manufacturer, the barcode, and that it is CE, FC, UKCA, and RoHS compliant. On the side of the package, you have QR codes for downloading the app. Note that the A30 M app can be downloaded for both Android and iOS systems. Inside the box, you'll find the A30 M lodged in a well-made plastic holder that can be used for later storage. Once you get your hands on the tool, you'll immediately notice that the plastic and the rubber holders on the side give an impression of a quality product. On the front side, you have a display. On the back side, you have more product information. On the bottom of the A30 M, you have small signal lights that show that the tool is working, that it's connected, and so on. But what's interesting, very convenient, and is a very useful feature is that there is a small built-in flashlight that is activated by pressing either side of the tool. The light helps find the OBD ports during nighttime or in poor visibility, and in our opinion it can also be used as a mini flashlight if needed. The A30 M has essentially two working parts: the hardware, which is the dongle that's connected to the car, and the app on your phone or tablet. For all of this to function, you have to activate the A30 M, which is very simple to do. First, download the XTool app. You can find it either on Google Play Store or scan the mentioned QR code on the side of the packaging. You can install the app on your phone, which is very convenient for making a scan at a moment's notice, or on a tablet where reading all the data and using the tool is perhaps easier and more readable. On this part, we would like to mention that the A30 M includes free lifetime software updates for all app service functions. Once you've installed and started the app, you have to fill out the information to activate the tool. The activation code and serial number are found either on the quality certificate that you get inside the box or on the back side of the dongle. After you've done this, you'll encounter the main menu, which consists of special functions, reports, auto scan diagnostics, updates, and settings. We'll go into every menu in detail in the next part of the video. What we would recommend on this part is to do the updates right away in order to gain access to all of the functions and diagnostic programs. Know that if you have a weaker internet connection, the update may take some time, but the good part in this situation is that you don't have to download all of the functions and diagnostic programs right away. You can download only the ones you need. This is a big time saver. The first section of the menu is for the special functions. Here you have 26 different functions and resets that you can use on almost all modern cars. Besides the classic options like for headlights, oil reset, throttle adaptation, airbag reset, AC relearn, and else, you also have gearbox adaptation, seat calibration, sunroof initialization, DPF filter regen, but also GPF regen, which stands for gasoline particulate filter. Next, you have a section for various reports, and we'll show you this later when we do an actual scan on the car. Then you have the auto scan diagnostic and diagnostic section, which is for scanning the car. When you click on the diagnostic button, you get tabs where vehicle brands are divided by regions: Europe, America, Australia, and Asia. Note that the A30M is compatible with over 85 car brands, which is really impressive. Here we've downloaded only a couple of brands. When you do all the updates, all of the available manufacturers appear in this menu. After this, you have the section with the updates. Here you get a notification every time there is a new update. Updates are done by clicking the arrow on the side of each file. Finally, there is the section for the settings, which contains language settings. The A30M supports 22 languages. Then you have a setting to change the units. There are metric, imperial, and US units. Besides this, you have Bluetooth settings, workshop information, firmware information, and the About section. All in all, in our opinion, the menu is simple and intuitive, but more importantly, the learning process is quick and easy. When connecting the A30M, first connect the dongle to the OBD port in your car. When properly connected, you'll hear a sound and you'll see a red signal light on the bottom of the dongle. Also, you can see the battery car voltage on the mini display. In this case, it's not really visible because of the position of the OBD port on the car. This is a very useful feature for knowing if you have a bad battery. After you've done the connection, start the app. On this part, it is very important to turn on the Bluetooth connection on your phone or tablet, otherwise this will not work. If you're using the A30M the first time, be sure to first pair the dongle to the app in the Bluetooth section, otherwise the OBD tool will not function. When connected via Bluetooth, you'll see a blue light shine up on the dongle and you can continue. Before you start, be sure to turn on the ignition. Now start the scan. In the menu, as mentioned, you have two options: the auto scan and the diagnostic section. The auto scan option is more direct, but you have to input the car's VIN number directly so the tool can recognize the car. After this, you get three different options for scanning. We chose automatic scan, and after this you get a system scan with a list of all the systems that have been scanned and all the DTC codes. In this list you have submenus with an explanation for the fault. At the bottom you have a DTC report and a DTC list, and you can clear the codes if you want to. Next you have the diagnostic section. Here at the beginning, you have the option of choosing your car manufacturer. First choose the region and then the manufacturer. After this, you have more detailed options for finding your car model and the system you want to scan. We chose automatic detection, and after this you enter the scan menu. Again, we chose automatic scan, and you once more get a thorough, detailed scan of all the car's vital systems. In our opinion, the scanning is pretty fast and you will not wait long for the results. When the scan is over, you will once more get a list of all the systems that were scanned and any DTC codes. In this section, you also get a report, a DTC list, and the option to clear the DTC codes. There is also a diagnostic submenu for each system that allows you to go into more details about the problem. From both scan options, you get a report with the date and time, which is stored in the report section. From there, you can always access it, you can read it, print it, or even email it if you want. Besides all this, the A30M can also be used, of course, for erasing the DTC codes. The procedure is very simple. You make a scan and just click Clear All DTC Codes. This is very convenient if you want to quickly erase a check engine light, for instance. Dear viewers, if you decide to buy the A30M, we would highly recommend visiting the XTool official store. There you have the whole product range with thorough explanations for every product and other very useful information. Also, at least from what we've seen, the best offers for buying are on the official store. Of course, you can also visit Amazon or other websites. The XTool product range is widely available. So, dear viewers, for the end of this review, I would like to thank the company XTool for providing us with the A30M. And despite the fact that we got the tool for free, I would just like to say that it doesn't affect the final verdict, so to say. My personal opinion is that if you want to buy this kind of OBD tool, buy this one. You will not make a mistake. It will be a very good purchase. First of all, you will get a well-made quality product. Second, you will get software with the product that will let you make a good diagnosis of the problem of your car. You have lots of options, special functions, and everything else. What's also important, as mentioned, you don't have any additional updates or license fees to pay. So you pay the tool and you get free updates for an unlimited time. Besides this, these kinds of OBD tools, the wireless ones with the apps on your phone, are very practical. You can literally make a scan of some sort of car problem on the road, okay, in a matter of minutes. You can keep the dongle in your glove box, put it inside of the OBD port of your car or some other car, and make a scan at a moment's notice. What it's practical also for, I would use it for this, for instance, is if you're buying a car from someone and you're going to take a look, you can take the dongle with you. You have your phone already with you. You can just connect the OBD tool and scan the car that you're potentially gonna buy, and you can see if there are any codes, and if there are, and if they're serious ones, the A30M will pay itself off probably immediately in that case. And one more thing I would like to mention why these kinds of OBD tools are practical. You can literally walk around the car without any problems. There's no cable connected to the OBD port, and you can, for instance, stand in front of the car, listen to the engine, make a diagnosis while the dongle is connected to the OBD port. So very convenient. You don't have the hassle with the cable. All of the other OBD tools have cables. All of them are good for what they do, but in this case, compared to the A30M, they are a bit cumbersome to wield around the car. So dear viewers, that's it for this time. I hope this video helps in making a good decision. If you find the time, watch our other videos where we show various tips regarding car maintenance, car repair, driving, and everything that's car related, in the hope that those videos will make your life easier with your car. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.